Miriam Wamuthungu niakorwo akirekereria na kumbura ndeto cia magegania muno kuri mafans ake. Ndeto iria ciamatiga magegete makiuga ici ni cia magegia muno. The news from Miriam Wamuthungu. Na she shared the news through her social media pages. Kuria mafans ake maikorwo makiyumiria na njira nene muno kumukungũĩra na oho kumcongratulate in a very huge way. Na makauga it is such a huge achievement for her and also her music career. Miriam Wamuthungu niakorwo akiumbura ndeto ati very soon she is releasing a song with one of the most popular gospel artists in our Kikuyu industry, a female gospel artist. Muini we ngumo muno, in fact muini wanakorwo akirekereria some of the biggest hits we have heard in the Kikuyu music sector. Na Miriam Wamuthungu augite muini uyu ti ungi ni Phyllis Mbuthia, undu uria wakenererwo muno ni mafans ake makiuga ma this is it, this is such a huge win for her. And also musically makauga ma Miriam Wamuthungu ni eikireire muno, ni akoretwo akimakenia muno with her consistency, ni arekira bidii muno na makauga they are loving it. Na riu haha akorwo akimaumbũrĩra ati she is releasing a song very soon na Phyllis Mbuthia, makiuga mani makena muno ni ndeto ici na makimũcongratulate na njira nene muno, na oho mamwĩra they are eagerly waiting for this collab with Phyllis Mbuthia tondu ni moĩ it is going to be a hit. Na Miriam Wamuthungu had shared this akiuga he makes everything happen at his own timing. A collab coming soon, Miriam Wamuthungu featuring Phyllis Mbuthia, na ginya agikorwo agishare mbica ino haha yao marĩ most probably working on their new song. Na mafans ona ginya fellow Kikuyu celebrities maikiyumiria gũkũngũĩra ndeto ici. Miriam Wamuthungu agikorwo agishare Muthee Ngai wa mbere akiuga fire, keep on Miriam Wamuthungu, Ihuru make us proud. Ona Karanja akiuga waiting, Kinyo wa Iratu congratulations, Christine Mwangi eagerly waiting, mama blessings, Juliet Favor wow keep it up, keep the fire burning. Ona KJD looking forward to it. Margaret Wambui wa ndikũiguĩte penda your song sana Miriam, great news. Jane can't wait, mama wish you all the best mwana witu. Na ona ithuĩ twakĩmwĩra congratulations and all the best, na tũgagĩeterera rwĩmbo rũrũ, a collab between Miriam Wamuthungu na Phyllis Mbuthia coming soon. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.